softly play. Whispers of the ancient call my name. Gentle breezes carry secrets from the sea, waking echoes in the heart's quiet domain. Silken threads of light weave through the air, unraveling the night, revealing what was there. Enchanted echo, our spirits are found. Oh, so unbound, let the echoes resound, dancing eternal in this sacred sound. Rivers of stardust flow